Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
The reason why 95% of make money online methods don't work is because you're leaving out the most important part, traffic.
Doesn't matter what system or software you have in place, if you're not getting any traffic back to your websites or blogs or offers, you're not going to be making money. The good news is I've got a fix to that traffic problem, guaranteed.
Hi, my name is Demetrius. I'm an affiliate marketer and blogger, and since 2012, like many, I've been trying to drive traffic over to my websites, offers, and blogs, but I couldn't afford it. So I had to get a little bit creative. One day, while mindlessly posting on niche blog forums, I discovered a secret traffic loop that was bigger than what I thought. This was a small network that was part of a bigger platform,
which is part of a bigger network that actually fuels up 40% of the internet that everybody knows about. The traffic source is so powerful that virtually no other online marketer knows about.
I was able to leverage on this secret traffic loophole and started getting instant targeted traffic 100% back to my websites 24/7. This traffic actually converted to subscribers, commissions, and profits. It felt like I'd found the holy grail, traffic that was fast, free, and profitable. There was just one problem. The only way to tap into this traffic was to do everything manually, which could take hours a day. So I reached out to my friend Alex Krulik, who's a talented developer, told him my problem, and we were able to test and trial a software that he created for me to automate an already proven process in getting real engagement and real traffic back to my websites and blogs. So we released the beta version of the TrafficZION software, and word got out, and we've had over 2,000 customers testing it and using it, getting unlimited targeted traffic back to their websites and blogs. This traffic was actually push traffic that is easy to get and keeps on getting 24/7 and requires absolutely zero maintenance or updates. The traffic source is so powerful that virtually no other competition knows about this traffic source. And it works for any niche, which is so powerful that you can actually take advantage and start monetizing for any personal interest or hobby that you might want to drive traffic to. Since the beta version of TrafficZION, the traffic kept on growing, so we had to make some upgrades and we've created TrafficZION Cloud. TrafficZION Cloud is the only proven push app traffic software that actually brings you results. And it's three-step easy, anyone can do it. No skills or experience needed.
Now this year we've added TrafficZION. TrafficZION is basically an article content creator. Now the great thing about this is that you can create articles on the go based on any URL you give it. Doesn't matter what URL you have, you put it in here, it's going to create the post that you would like. And I can actually put it as a web source to get me the content and create me the content into whatever I want. And here is where I get my affiliate links. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my affiliate link, put it in the section right here. I can add a video that's gonna pull up, add images automatically, or I can use my own custom, it's up to you. And then I can choose a few buttons here. I can then publish this to my specific dog website. I can choose the categories that I've built or my software has built for me. I can add a featured image, leave it blank, and it will create one automatically. I can create a custom title or it will create one for me. So I'm gonna allow it to create one for me. I'm gonna generate tags. It's gonna automatically generate tags for the specific one. And then I can publish this to my website. And then I'm gonna click on save, and that's it. That's all I did to create content for my website. Here is the actual content that I created. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. I've got everything that I need that's going to be helping me. This is an overall traffic and content creator software that is essential for anybody's online needs to get traffic over to their websites.
This works for whatever you're doing online: affiliate marketing, list building, e-com, membership sites, video marketing, social media, and so much more.
Just log in, tell the software what niche you want traffic for, and sit back and watch the traffic roll in.
We include over-the-shoulder videos walking you through the simple setup and our personal monetization tactics so you can get the best possible results faster. TrafficZION Cloud is different because it actually works. It automates an already proven process that's been working for our customers and myself for a few years.
We're talking about all the free traffic you'll ever need at your fingertips.
This is the most battle-tested traffic app that you will ever work with. It's okay to be skeptical. We've all been burnt by overhyped fake promises before. Don't take my word for it though. Check out the real feedback and results from actual customers on the page below.
The only way it won't work for you is that if you don't use it.
You'll get an amazing discount right now with TrafficZION Cloud since we're releasing it for this launch period right now.
So go ahead, grab TrafficZION Cloud at the most discounted price right now by scrolling and clicking the button below.
And don't forget, you're also backed up by our 30-day money-back guarantee without any questions asked. If you don't like it, we'll give you your money back. You're also going to be supported by our fanatical customer support that I've put in place, where I'm going to be solving your issues and problems almost instantly through our private support group that I have for you inside. TrafficZION Cloud can deliver all the free buyer traffic on autopilot. So go ahead and grab TrafficZION Cloud at the most discounted price right now by clicking the buttons below.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.